Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get MACD on TradingView. First, open any chart on TradingView. Look for the Indicators button, usually found at the top of your screen. Click it to open the indicator search bar. Type MACD into the search field, and then select the Moving Average Convergence Divergence option from the results. This will instantly add the MACD indicator to your chart, ready for analysis. Once added, you'll see three main components of the MACD. The MACD line itself is calculated by subtracting a 26-period exponential moving average from a 12-period exponential moving average. The signal line is a 9-period exponential moving average of the MACD line. Finally, the histogram visually represents the difference between the MACD line and the signal line, providing clear insights into momentum. You can easily customize the MACD settings to suit your trading strategy. Click the gear icon next to the indicator name on your chart to open the settings menu. Here, you can adjust the fast length, slow length, and signal length, typically set to 12, 26, and 9 respectively. You can also modify the colors and line styles of the MACD, signal line, and histogram for improved visual clarity. Interpreting MACD signals is key for effective analysis. A bullish crossover, where the MACD line crosses above the signal line, often suggests upward momentum. Conversely, a bearish crossover, with the MACD line crossing below the signal line, can signal downward momentum. Also, look for divergence between price action and the MACD, as this can frequently indicate potential trend reversals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.